your loving. So fresh, so clean. Love me in and out.
I'm a kimono. So here I am in my kimono. I put some water in my hair. Let's go out and enjoy the onsen.
Fuck this club up. 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 Fuck this club.
Hey yo, I tell them that I'm the sleaze. They telling me, okay, prove it. I lead these bitches on red, so now they know that they blew it. I tell them I'm moving units, my videos, they gon'.
So we're basically going to do the recap first and then go into the video. But today was awesome. We came and we looked at Mount Fuji. We couldn't even go to the top because it was snowing really hard today, but it was so beautiful and so clear. But anyways, check out the video. It's a bit over, guys, but we're on our way to Mount Fuji. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing I had to do today was get a train to go to Shibuya, Tokyo. And then from Shibuya, we're going to catch a bus. Let's go.
How do you know the way I feel? You got me losing my mind. Oh, try to suppress my emotions. They're bursting like fountains, baby. They take me up, they take me down. I'm getting weak on my knees. Oh.
If you're ever in Japan and you need guidance about the trains, I took the Odakyu line because I'm on the Odakyu line. So I took the train from Tsuruko station and we stopped at Shinjuku station where I transferred to a rapid train and it carried me straight down to Shinjuku. Sorry, not Shibuya, but Shinjuku. In Japan, they believe it's one of the most craziest train stations because they have a lot of link to a lot of train lines. But I find Shinjuku easy. I find Yokohama station crazy, but Shinjuku is easy to me. Probably it's because I'm on the Odakyu line. But anyways, let's get back to the video. And this is how inside of a Japanese train looks. Yeah. Everyone kind of gets out orderly, but in rush hour, peak hours, it gets crazy. Just like the videos you see online, that's how it is. But yeah. Shinjuku West Gate. Shinjuku. Let's look at Shinjuku Station. You'll see inside Shinjuku Station and around Shinjuku Station. It's a bit chaotic, but it's quite beautiful. Yeah. I like Shinjuku Station. So we're in Shinjuku. Okay, so when I got to Shinjuku Station, the first thing I did was get some breakfast, and I went to McDonald's. McDonald's have one of the best breakfast in Japan if you want something quick and substantial. So I got some breakfast there. So let's go. Here's the journey from Shinjuku Station. Alright, so we're going Mac. We're getting food.
Like a rebel for the night, little ma, be alright, but she won't call me out of spite, yeah, yeah.
Oh, 360. This is secured. What's across here? For more water. So I'm gonna get water first. Okay, so I'm gonna jump in real quick with some extra details. So I booked this trip for Mount Fuji through Klook.com. If you're in Asia, it's a very good site to use to book any type of activities or excursions. I booked through them. Now they have a pickup point in Shinjuku, so I had to go to the pickup point and then try to identify the bus that I am on. You get all of this information in the confirmation email that is sent to you after booking. Plus, you have a telephone number, so if you need to call someone, you can contact them. It wasn't bad. It wasn't really hard to find the bus that I belong on. There are lots of buses out there, so you have to be careful to ensure that you get the correct license plate and get on the right bus and check your name to confirm. But it wasn't bad. It was okay. Yeah, and let's go to Shinjuku. We're doing Shinjuku today and Onsen, Gotemba Outlet Mall. I love Gotemba Outlet Mall, by the way. And we do another spot that is very, very famous. I don't remember the name right now. Yeah. And we get beautiful views of Mount Fuji. I love Mount Fuji. Obsessed with Mount Fuji. Anyways, let's go.
Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Love is flying and striking the night. Put me
or more than 3 hours. And please just fasten your seatbelt and then so maybe have some traffic. I will check the schedule. Our first station is the Google May, the fifth station.
Yeah, I'm on the way right now. If not you, then I don't wanna know. I don't wanna store it. Day and night, it's unconditional. Got me needing softly. Yeah, yeah. Love me, yeah, yeah. Love me, yeah, yeah. You know you love to me up like never. Anything you want and I'ma do whatever. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly, fly in the sky, put me in your arms and your love and love. I'm on the way right now.
どの車を乗ってる人ですか？ちっちゃいのバイク。バイクの。わかりました。そうです。はい。
You got me on your side now. Yeah, I'm on your way right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Step on me, judge, don't me tender. Don't me judge, don't me tender.
Okay, so this is the first stop for the day. We stopped here to climb just a slight hill, where we could get a better view of Mount Fuji as the backdrop, which is pretty cool. I don't remember the name of the spot, but it's probably mentioned in the video, so you have to listen carefully. And then after here, after getting some beautiful photos, then we'll move on to the next spot. Arigato.
Okay.
Right here. And like a lot of stuff. Oh, one more sec. They have seats and stuff.
シャインマスオンリー。
Caramel.
シャインマスカットオンリーに
Yeah.
キャラメルね。
Yeah.
はい。はい、オッケー。
Arigato.
So this is China muscat and caramel sauce. And it's actually pretty good. We're gonna go back at the takoyaki shop to see if we can try takoyaki one more time. I have to jump in and say that the takoyaki at this spot was really good. Takoyaki, for those who don't know, is basically octopus dumplings. So they're basically fried, the octopus chopped nicely, diced, and put in flour and fried. And it was actually pretty good at this spot, the best I've had. And I tried in Kyoto, and Kyoto is said to be Osaka, and it's said to be the land of takoyaki, and I did not like it there. But here it was pretty good. And this is the one close to Mount Fuji. So yeah, loved it. Okay, so I believe this spot is called Oshino Hokai, and basically they have different ponds and they all form together. There's some history behind it about how water is produced. I think it runs from Mount Fuji and it gets here, and it's really healthy if you drink it. Like, you can live longer. It's something along that line. The story goes along that line. But it was extremely beautiful, and this was the next stop. All with efforts of seeing Mount Fuji. There's so many people here. Okay, so jumping with some history lesson, history class, Wednesday history class. But it's basically like showing a traditional Japanese village. So you have the thatch roof, type housing, and you have the water wheels and how the water came from Mount Fuji, came down into the village and basically supplied the entire village with water. So you see the different type of housing structures, the cute little bridges and stuff like that. So it's a kind of like a traditional experience, but it was extremely beautiful. And I get a few glimpses of Mount Fuji. It's kind of difficult when you travel on your own because you don't have anyone to take your photos. But my tripod did this. My tripod did her big one. My tripod did her big one. So, anyways, check out the views and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Please. Thank you. Bye. Gary is in it. Bye. Mount Fuji. Where is Fuji sign? Where is Fuji sign? Alright, better try to say focus. Focus. We got some Fuji. Can we see Fuji? Can we see Fuji? We can't see my oh, she's here. Looking off. Oh, Fuji. And you're probably wondering, why am I so obsessed with Mount Fuji? It's because it's so beautiful. That's one. It's called a snow mountain because listen, when it snows in Japan, that place is covered. And it's the highest point in Japan. It's the tallest mountain. It's extremely beautiful. It's a rich part of their culture, and that's why it's probably the only landmark I'm so obsessed with. But yeah, for Japan.
To take my love away. When I come back around, will I know what to say? Said you won't forget my name. Not today, not tomorrow. Kinda strange, feeling sorrow. I got change, you could borrow. When I come back around, will I know what to say? Not today, maybe tomorrow. Open up the door, can you open up the door? I know you said before, you can't cope with anymore. You told me it was war, said you'd show me what's in store. I hope it's not for sure, can you open up the door? Did you take my love
This is all at Moala. So, oh, my face don't look so clear. So, let's fix that. Alright. So, we come out here windy and but we come today, we come on Mount Fuji-san. And then after Mount Fuji, we're gonna go park, and now we're going onsen. So, yes, how? Let's go. So we're going to the onsen now. McCall. Does that work? Take off your shoes. You put it in your shoes box. Put it in your shoes box. You look at it. You take a key. Hello, sir. And then you were just over here. Put my shoes box key.
またさっきも言ったんですけど、天気が良くないと見えないので、それだけ。
But their rooms are private rooms are full right now, so I can't go to the private room.
今日は、大浴場の取り入れ
If you are regular, if you want to buy some food or some drink, just touch it to cold.
Oh, okay. Okay. After. Oh, okay. And I get the towel. Okay, thank you. So, can I rent a yukata? No.
浴衣ってことじゃない。
Oh,
寒い。
so just towel.
Just now.
Okay, I got it. I got it.
And Papa Link is easy. Second floor.
Second floor.
Yeah, you should take the effort to the second floor.
Okay, alright, thank you. 550. Okay, alright, thank you. To the public. Second floor. Have an open air bath. So that's really pretty. Inside look, and we're going to the second floor for the public bath. Outside cold. And then I give me shoes. Listen, outside is cold. My hair looks crazy, but we move.
Yes, second floor.
I got something. So this is the food area, massage. So the food area. No toilet. Oh my god, that's like a view of Mount Fuji. That's cool. Mount Fuji, that's beautiful.
Fuck this club up. 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 Fuck this club
Hey yo, I tell them that I'm the sleaze. They telling me, okay, prove it. I lead these bitches on red, so now they know that they blew it. I tell them I'm moving units, my videos, they gon' view it. Spotify ain't gotta lie, they really streaming my music. I give bitches the crown, they fuck around and lose it. Nah, I am no way by only way when I'm telling them bye. Bitch, we ain't twinning, ain't fraternal or identical. When I'm around, bitch, you know you become invisible. You wanna play with me? Got the power, I could tell my niggas spray like 50. Come on, bitch.
いやいや、昼ぐらいに連絡してくれるとさ、2時過ぎてあんまやめるじゃん。
Like 50. Mine was 950.
いやいや、だから俺いないからそっちじゃないじゃん。そう。だから、言ってくれんと困るから。そう。
I feel pussy like I
This is how inside looks. They have the food over there. I'm not getting something to eat, but I'm gonna use a bathroom first. No sex. Change. Put on onsen, you have to put on a kimono. So here I am in my kimono. Put some water in my hair. Let's go and enjoy the onsen. Stuff that yourself. Making it from French fry. We want French fry. Tomato and sausage. Or fried pizza. Mount Fuji cream soda. Yeah, probably got that. Simasen, can I have fried pizza and Mount Fuji cream soda? Right here. Oh. I get back to like a button thingy. Yeah, try to find the public. Okay, so I'm jumping in real quick to tell you about onsens, or as they call it, hot springs in English. But these are basically like public baths that you can go and have. Natural hot springs. So you have the natural water flowing down from Mount Fuji here. And sometimes you have them public and you have them private, right? But for this one, only the public ones are available on this day. So, for the public public ones. The issue for me is the fact that you're going to be naked around a bunch of people, right? So you're enjoying all the minerals from the water, but you're naked. And the second thing is that they don't allow cameras and phones like that inside. So here I'm trying to sneak some videos in, but I did a lot of private ones in Japan. I really love it. The best part of Japan for me are the public onsens. So yes, definitely check that out if you're in Japan. And here's my meal, my Mount Fuji cream soda and pizza. Yeah. It's gonna get cloudy. It's gonna get cloudy. I don't want to blow up.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out, I'm feeling lean, and I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down.
Resting in the rest. They have to be quiet though. Let's stop. This is totally cool. You can just rest. And that is cool. So we're at them right now. And they have an onsen. I'm gonna show my. Hi people. So today I came to Mount Fuji. And then because it was snowing, I had to go to Arashima Park somewhere. Because I couldn't get to the fifth stop, Mount Fuji. I mean, I whisper because I think this is supposed to be a quiet area. Anyways, one picnic pass and there's a stay on it for one show. So I got to see Mount Fuji, and then we went to another place, pond place that the water run down from Mount Fuji there, so you can actually drink the water. And then after that, we came to the Temple Outlet Mall. I came here before, but I wanted to try the onsen. Awesome experience.
Then we had to try to.
Hi. So we're basically going to do the recap first and then go into the video. But today was awesome. We came and we looked at Mount Fuji. We couldn't get to go to the top because it was snowing really hard today, but it was so beautiful and so clear. But anyways, check out the videos. Stop in there. I'm gonna try the pizza thing here. I'm not gonna lie, when it's hot, it tastes like festival. Jamaican festival. From the sausages. You know, like when they mix baked bean, they mix up a seasoning with the baked bean. That's how the tomato sauce they taste. And then I put sausage instead and no baked bean. Okay, I'm jumping in real quick to just finish off the vlog. So that wristband that you have, you're going to take it to the front desk when you're finished exploring, finished with the onsen, finished with the views, and then they're going to scan it and tell you your total amount that is owed. Right? So you pay after you're done visiting the attraction, which was pretty cool. Because of the food, the entrance fee, I think my bill was like 5,000 something. So I paid that, and then I was able to get back my little key to go and collect my shoes and leave. So yeah. It was pretty awesome. I loved it very much. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Mwah. I love you. Bye. Check out the video because I went and got dinner after. So keep watching and see Tokyo, the streets of Tokyo. Nightlife. Alright. And our day is over. The bus is waiting. And it's time to go home.
Stop going like a year man. You know that you're just a one night stand. In my night play.
Turn break here. Oh, it's time to go back to the bus. I got Pringles. So now here. So basically, you can just make your order outside. Select English. And let's start to order. Yeah, order what you want. I did like a beef bowl. And that's what it is. I have like a cool fridge and you have a hot refrigerator. And you need a hot tea. Yeah.